Hello everyone, welcome to Marketing Ideations. My name is Abhishek Jain. This channel is about sharing some fascinating real life examples or case studies related to marketing. To start with, I would like to share a very compelling story about how marketing is not just a subject and rather a way of living. One would agree that all sort of learning or knowledge is what we humans have experienced in our life. So before routing to the point, have you ever wondered what can be the context of marketing for a local street hawker? Coming to the reality, we can take an example of a fruit or vegetable seller in a common or a crowded place. You must have seen that usually a single variety of fruit is being offered by multiple sellers while standing adjacent to each other, like just next to the other one. So for a normal day, there is nothing to wonder about. Usually, we can see there are a lot of inputs to learn about the concept of competition or consumer behavior. Few pointers for you. Number one, how do they deal with the customer while knowing that competition is all ears in that interaction? Second, how do they market or promote their product while doing the negotiation simultaneously? Okay, let's now look for the possible answers. One interesting part of the story is that they all belong to one same family. Yes, you heard it right. They are all family members who are selling one same product at different prices just to attract the price sensitive customers. One is selling on the higher side, one might be selling on the cheaper side relatively. But this might not be true in every case that I accept. In today's time, we all are so easily lured by look and feel that even such street hawkers, they have come up with great marketing strategies, be it in terms of product display, for example, stack arrangement, pyramid style, or using adequate lights to maybe highlight the color of the product. They also even use water to increase the visual attractiveness. So, such small tactics increase the customer's attention and inclination towards the seller. This also helps the latter to improve the confidence in his own negotiation for the quality of the products. Also, they are very clear about the last price, which they will only offer if the customer is slipping away to the next competitor. Last but not the least, these fruit sellers not only just stand in one place, they also pedal throughout the days, be it morning, afternoon, or evening. All these efforts and tactics together makes a great marketing sense for a regular observation. We all can learn a good deal of examples if we start paying attention to our day-to-day activities. So do let me know if any one of you have such interesting case studies or examples to be shared with all. Also, stay tuned for some more engrossing inputs. Till then, hit like, follow, and share your views in the comments below.